If your stomach always feels heavy, bloated, or inflamed, there's one gut-healing nutrient your body is quietly begging for, and most people barely get enough of it. It's soluble fiber, the nutrient that literally repairs your gut lining, feeds good bacteria, and melts bloating from the inside out. Inside your intestines, soluble fiber turns into a gel-like shield. It calms inflammation, traps toxins, and stops gas from building up. Your gut finally relaxes, and your stomach becomes flatter without starving yourself. And the most powerful source of it? A simple blend of chia seeds, banana, and apples. Chia seeds form a soothing gel inside your gut, sweeping out toxins, repairing the gut lining, and pulling down stubborn belly bloating. The banana adds prebiotics, fuel for the good bacteria that flatten your stomach naturally. And apples supply pectin, a superfiber that calms inflammation, improves digestion, and stabilizes your blood sugar, so cravings shrink and belly fat burns more steadily. To make this amazing drink, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into a cup, pour warm water, and let it soak for 10 minutes, until it forms a gel. Then blend 1 soaked tablespoon of chia gel, 1 ripe banana, 1 medium apple with skin, 1 cup of water. Blend for 20 to 30 seconds. This method activates the chia gel, keeps the fibers intact, and makes the nutrients easier for your gut to absorb. Avoid this. Don't add dry chia seeds directly into the blender. When chia absorbs liquid inside your stomach instead of outside, can cause gas, cramping, or even choking. Always soak chia first. Do that, and this blend becomes one of the most powerful gut-healing, belly-flattening drinks you can use daily. Try 1 fiber drink today. Your stomach will feel lighter within hours. And in the next video, I'll reveal the morning habit that destroys gut health without you noticing. Subscribe so you don't miss it.